All right, so today I want to bring you an intelligent camera. This one, what is nice about it is PTZ, so pan, tilt, and zoom. And you can install a memory up to 128 gigabytes. It has a dual audio, means you can send audio and receive audio as well too. Solar power, 2.4 gigahertz, and much more. I'll show you this right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from MediaBoxNT.com. All right, so what is nice about this camera? First, it's waterproof, and you can put it outdoor, anywhere. You can have this in a tree if you want it, as long as you got a good Wi-Fi connection. It supports a 2.4 gigahertz network. It has a night vision, memory-wise, 128 gigabytes, and battery, 600 milliamp battery. It means in case will be cloudy for like 2 weeks of raining, right? You have enough battery for about 2 weeks, but when there's a chance it will be totally like have darkness for like 2 weeks, right? I'll show you this whole camera, how this thing works right now. All right, so let's check the camera now. Wow, big solar panel here. So pretty simple, you know where to do exactly the hole. So put this on the wall, and that's it. The full manual instructions, how to install it, app, and much more. Now here's the solar panel. Pretty big. Wow. All right, we have that there. And here we have the camera, and what else we got here in the side, even the screws, Allen key, everything. So you don't even to go to the hardware store. Now to charge the device, I always recommend in the micro USB and tap A. So I would recommend always to charge the camera right in your computer first for about a day, and then you can put it right outside. And here we have the camera. So let's put the box on the side, and let's check the camera now. I can see this easy to mount. Why? Because to show you the sticker, where you can put it in the wall and stick it right there. So this one will allow me to move, right? And actually I can move, yeah, almost like 355. I will say that, and we can tilt this up and down. I can see here the night vision. I see the motion detector. It takes almost at 33 feet away. And we see there the lens. And right over here, we have the antenna, so the 2.4 gigahertz. And to mount the solar panel, it will be something this way. You see, that's where you mount it. This is a big, wow, this is a big solar panel. So that's it. I mean, you see right over here. So we're gonna set it up in a second, and I'll show you how the camera works. I can see there it has the microphone, and somewhere here we should be able to get the memory. So let's check that in a second. All right, so what I did, I removed the screw from here. Pretty simple. You can see here you're going to install a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. You see the switch here for reset switch. Now the way this is going to connect, so we're going to put this here, and then okay,
the camera is now ready to begin pairing.
That was fast. Now there is a switch here, on and off, right there in the side. So I just turn it off. And here, how you going to charge this? You remember it came with the cable? That's what you're going to charge it here. Now it comes with the, when you finish, make sure you cover it up, because this will keep, make sure water will now go into the panel. And that's it. That's simple as that. So let's now go and pair the camera, right, for the first time. All right, so let's go to the installation of the camera. So the first thing we need to do, in case you want to learn how to reset the camera, if you change it to a different network, you press this button here, a few seconds until you get the prompt. This way. That's it. Let's reset.
System reset.
That's it. You gotta make sure you turn the switch from the side, so the system is reset. You can do that from the beginning too. So now
is now ready to begin pairing.
it has a super speaker. People can hear this from a block away. So you're gonna go and press hit camera. The first, set up a Wi-Fi device. Make sure you are connecting at 2.4 gigahertz. All right, so we're gonna put yes. It's blinking. Device, right? The camera where you want it. And in my case, I put home, whatever you want to set that. We put next. You're going to put your network 2.4 and the password of your network 2.4. Let's execute there.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
Let's put this. That close.
Pairing information received.
Done. Just wait. This is the fastest camera I ever installed up to now. Done. Let's put this into my side. Right over here. And should show up in a second online. I got the first signal right there. I'm there. So, should we want to bring the camera up, I'm going to press right over here and I'm going to bring the camera up this way. Okay, and you see it's right there. I can move it to the left, to the right, up and down. Good resolution, that's the standard. We can just go and click there and high definition, just at the time and the hour. How many people are watching this if you share the camera? Right, super speaker, we can take a picture. We can record a video if you put the micro stick there. I can go to a full screen as you see here. Right, beautiful picture, right? And again, I can go up, right, and move up, and you see right away. And here we have a full menu. I'm gonna go back into the small resolution here. We see that little wheel right there. Click the wheel there, and right there, you get information. Cloud service, you're gonna have to pay for that if you want, but you can set cloud or memory to 128 gig. We can flip the screen. How you want the scene is normal. There's different scenes. You can set it in night mode, in a highlight compression, dynamic, or normal. There's a lot of things you can do from here. Frequency 60 hertz. You are in the United States, you're gonna leave it 50. If you're gonna use somewhere there's 220 line, then it's 50 hertz. Light indicator, if you want this on and off, you can turn it off. Device name. You can upgrade the firmware and much more, and the delay to send the camera to sleep at 15 seconds. That's it. The camera is already running. They don't need to do anything else at this point. That's simple. That's simple to install this camera. Real time. There's no editing into this. It took me 20 seconds to set the whole camera up. Hang up somewhere outside and it's done. I will full charge it before. I will charge this with your computer a day before and then just put it right outside and it's done. Nice resolution and high definition, simple to install and allow you to move you can move the camera anywhere you want it. And just set it for maybe 15-second record, 60 seconds. So when it detects something, automatically the camera would actually start recording. When person pass by, it will stop recording. That's simple. Once again, as you see, an easy camera to use. Remember, there's a little button there if you need to reset it. Make sure you put the memory there, 128. That will be perfect. And that's it. Now, how do I get one of this? I want to get one of this right now to secure my home. Well, grab the link below this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.